Hello, I'm Ricky Chagger, and this is my cs50 final project, a Python command line script for renaming JPEG photographs based on the date they were taken. To call the script, reference Python, the location of the script itself, and then specify a mandatory command line argument, which is the directory where the photos are stored. If I call this now, you can see it gives you instructions. As well as the mandatory command line argument, I could have also specified a second command line argument, which would have been used as a prefix in renaming the new file names. Without this specified, the date the photo was taken will be used as the file name. It's also asked me to confirm that I've backed up the photos before I begin, and before I do this, we'll just take a look under the hood. So initially we check the command line arguments applied are valid and give a valid system path, and we also look to make sure any prefix applied will not create invalid file names when the photos are renamed. Checking for valid extensions, because we only currently support JPEGs. We go through all the files in the folder, and any files that either aren't JPEGs or do not have the relevant EXIF data for the date taken are flagged and put into a list and will be referenced back to the user at the end of the program to show they haven't been renamed. With the files that can be renamed assembled together, they are sorted chronologically, then renamed using either the supplied prefix, if there is one, and a counter, or using the date the photo was taken formatted into a file name. At the end of the script run, the program will output the number of files successfully renamed and a list of any that weren't renamed with the reason why. If I run the script now, you can see that the photos down here immediately change file name, and now instead of the random collection you could see before with different format names, you can see the names and are now the dates the photos were taken. So the prefix renaming can also work. I've got another set of photos here. If I move these out and into this folder and then move back the originals again and then call the command line again using hello as a prefix, confirm, you can see the file names now have hello as a prefix with a counter. If you look up here, you can see that the chronological order is the same even with the prefix being used. You can also see that both times I ran, the example.txt and the 26.jpg were not renamed. This is because the example is an unsupported file format and the JPEG 26 was downloaded from the internet, so it does not contain the EXIF data needed. I'm Ricky Chagger and this was CS50.